Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook mollejas. Start by soaking your mollejas in cold water for at least 30 minutes, even up to an hour, changing the water once or twice. This helps remove any lingering blood and firms them up. Next, gently pat the mollejas completely dry with paper towels. You want them very dry, which is crucial for achieving that amazing crispy texture later on. Now, trim away any visible silver skin, tough membranes, or excess fat carefully with a sharp knife. After trimming, it's time to pre-cook our mollejas, a step many home cooks skip, but it is truly essential. Place the cleaned mollejas into a pot and cover them with cold water, adding about 1 teaspoon of salt and a few bay leaves. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and cook them for approximately 20 minutes. This process tenderizes them significantly and removes any unwanted bitterness. Once done, drain them well and let them cool completely. Once cooled, the mollejas are ready for their final cooking and to develop that irresistible crust. You can slice them into 1-inch thick pieces or leave them whole, depending on your preference. Lightly brush them with a neutral oil, like canola or grapeseed oil, and season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Place them on your preheated grill or hot pan. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes per side, until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy all over. The delicate flavor of mollejas benefits from simple seasoning, letting their natural richness take center stage. After cooking, a final sprinkle of flaky sea salt truly elevates them. You might also add a little fresh garlic, finely minced, or a pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. A generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens the whole dish beautifully. Consider serving them with a vibrant chimichurri, which adds a fantastic fresh and herbaceous counterpoint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.